What if I told you there's an off-road monster that's been flying under the radar? Meet the Haval Raptor, a beast built to conquer any challenge. But is it worth your hard-earned cash? Hey Revamp Cars family! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the world of incredible vehicles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Haval Raptor, a vehicle that's making waves for its bold design, powerful performance, and unbeatable value. Stick around as we explore what makes this SUV stand out, and whether it lives up to the hype. Let's face it, most SUVs on the market today are great for city driving but fall flat when things get rough. Whether it's navigating rocky trails, crossing rivers, or climbing steep inclines, many so-called off-roaders just can't handle the challenge. So, how do you find a vehicle that combines everyday practicality with true off-road capability without breaking the bank? Enter the Haval Raptor. It promises to be the ultimate solution, but does it deliver? The Haval Raptor comes packed with features designed to tackle anything Mother Nature throws at it. With a robust 2.0L turbocharged engine producing over 220 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and advanced suspension systems, this SUV means business. But it's not just about power. Inside, you'll find a luxurious cabin loaded with modern tech, including a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. This isn't just an off-roader, it's a lifestyle upgrade. I've taken my Haval Raptor everywhere, from mountain peaks to coastal beaches, and it never disappoints. The traction control and hill descent assist make even the toughest climbs feel effortless. And here's the moment of truth, the ultimate test of strength and endurance. Will the Haval Raptor prove itself as the king of off-roading? Spoiler alert, it does. Watching this machine claw its way up sheer cliffs and glide through treacherous paths is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Wow! That was insane. Not only did it crush every obstacle, but it also handled smoother than I expected. The Haval Raptor isn't just capable, it's confident. So, let's recap. The Haval Raptor offers jaw-dropping performance, cutting-edge technology, and a surprisingly affordable price tag. If you're looking for a vehicle that can handle both daily commutes and weekend adventures, this might just be your perfect match. Sure, it may not have the brand recognition of some of its rivals, but trust me, the Haval Raptor more than holds its own. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Revamp Cars for more in-depth reviews and car adventures. Let us know in the comments below, would you take the Haval Raptor on your next road trip? And as always, keep exploring, keep revamping, and we'll see you in the next one.